Today we're gonna play watermelon smash.
Ooh. How do you play it?
You put
Water!
Ooh, right. There's a lid and you put water inside.
The
and
seed?
then there's seeds inside.
Seed.
And you use a spinner. And then you crack it on your head.
And then water.
It comes out.
And what if there was past X? Hey, don't eat it.
Yeah, don't eat it.
If you get past S, do you mean that you don't do it and you skip your turn?
Right, if you get past, you don't go. Yeah, like Uncle Jay.
And when it says crack on another, you have to crack on another person next
Yeah, like this.
time? Okay.
Softly. Ready? We'll go first. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I win. Ready? Me. Rock, paper, scissors. I won. You two lose. Now you go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
What? Hyungwoo's first. You have a spinner. Now let's fill it with water.
I too.
Ah! It's overflowing.
Two.
Oh no! You're
Two.
2 times 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's close. Ew.
Oh,
Do you want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
2 times on your head. One more time. One more time. 2. And now it's your turn.
3.
3 times. 1. Oh,
3. 2.
1. That was 1.
No, I did.
You did 3? Really? 2, 3? Okay. My turn. Was 3 times? Oh gosh. Pass! Oh! Wow.
Next, Hammer.
Youngest turn. Crack it 2 times. 1, 2. Good. Your turn.
Skip.
Pass. Pass.
Wow!
Pass. 2 times.
Oh!
Okay. Oh, seeds.
Let's eat them.
Me?
Oh my god.
You're wet. Oh no.
middle.
Metal, metal. Metal, metal.
One more time.
Okay, one more time.
Hammer, it's your turn now.
2, spin it. Spin it. 2. 1, 2. Oh, good.
No, it's mine.
Win? More? Already win.
I got 2 as well.
Come over here.
Good. Okay, my turn. 2. 1. Good. Your turn. Spin it. One more time. Ready?
Is it refreshing? Feels good? 시원해?
내 거다. One.
One time. One time! Oh, good. Okay. Are you pushing it together?
No.
2 times!
Did you have fun?
Yes.
You did have fun? I had a lot of fun.
Did you have fun? If you did, please.
Hey.
What?
Please.
Please like
and
subscribe.
Also, the 알림 버튼 꾹꾹 눌러주시고 좋아요도 같이 눌러주세요. And also the one who has the funniest comment will give a watermelon smash gift for you guys. I hope you have a funniest comment. Please do a comment. Bye bye. Bye.